Okay, so now I will show you the different style of napkin folding. Right, start with the first one, banana. Sorry, triangle shape. Break it into half. Okay. Make sure you press the napkin. Okay. Alright, then pull behind and put inside the pocket. Once you have done, so open it. Okay, and pull down. Right, this is for banana. Next is candle. Right, candle also in triangle shape. Okay, break it to triangle shape. Make sure you press. Okay, and then make sure you have to hold it here. This is for the pocket later. Okay, and then turn behind. Alright, this is where you roll from here to the end. Okay, roll until the end and put in this one inside the pocket. Okay, then stand it and pull down a little bit on the candle. Okay, you're done. This is for candle. Okay, next one is rose. Alright, so rose also in triangle shape. Okay, triangle shape, press it. Okay, this is where you roll from down part to upper part. Okay, roll it. Okay, until not to the end. You skip a little bit for the leaves later. Okay, and then this part you roll it inside. Okay, roll it inside and the end of it put inside. Okay, right, and this is the leaves. Pull it down. Pull it down. Okay, and here you go. Rose. Okay. Next one, pyramid. Pyramid, break it into, fold it into triangle also. Okay, press it, make it into half. Okay, press it, then pull it behind. This one here, pull up, and here you go. Here, this is pyramid. Next one is crown. Crown also in triangle shape. Okay, make it triangle. Okay, fold it into two. Okay, and then turn behind, pull it over here. Okay, so make sure this part should this side, the pyramid side. Okay, this is the lower part, so your view is this side, and then you pull inside the pocket. Okay, once you have done, open it. Okay, and here's crown. Okay, next one is rose bud. Rose bud is quite the same as quite the same as crown, same concept. Pull it to triangle, break it into two. Okay, then behind and pull it over. Okay, this time this part should be on the top part, right? And put it inside. Side. Okay. This is rose bar. Okay, next one is fan. Fan is where you pull into rectangle shape. Okay, then you fold it. Use your 3 fingers, right? Fold it. 1, 2. Actually, once you fold it, you press it. 3, 4, 5. Okay, once you have done it, pull it over like this. Okay, make sure the flower is here, the fan. Okay, and here you pull inside. So pull inside for the stand. Okay, so that when you release, the stand is there. So this is fan. Okay, next one is rose. Alright, this is the second style of rose, whereby you fold it into middle. Okay, and then pull up, press it, pull it into the middle part. Okay, and then hold it again. Okay, here you see here, so this is where you put inside this one here. Sure. Okay, put inside here, inside the pocket, right? And here you go. Rose. Next one is water lily. How to do water lily? Make sure you fold into 4 edge. Okay. Okay, and then one more layer. Okay, and pull it behind. One more layer. Okay, this is where you pull out the flower, the water lily. Okay. Right, then pull out the leaves. Okay, here you go, water lily. Okay, bird of paradise. Bird of paradise, fold it into 2, make it into square. Okay, and then this part, alright, fold it up, and your top should be this one, the layer, the 3 layers should be top. This one should be down part. Okay, fold it into 2. Okay, fold it into 2. Alright, this part, this one pull up. Okay, and then close it, pull it up, press it, then you have your bird of paradise. So this is bird of paradise. Alright. Okay, bishop head. One pull it to 2. Below part goes up. This one goes down. This one goes turn behind. This one goes up. Okay. This one take out. up. This one up, go half. This one go down, turn behind. This one goes behind. Okay, and here you go, the bishop. Okay, next one is clamp. Clamp, fold it into two in the middle. Okay, pull it up. Okay, make it this way, and same goes to like fan. Use your 3 fingers and fold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we will open the clamp here. So before you open, you have to make sure you pull out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 layers. Okay, and then pull behind. Take out another layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, once you have done it, okay, slowly release your clamp. Okay, you've done with the clamp.